welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about wearing sari in much simpler way, very elegantly, with the fabric you select of the sari which I'm going to cover. And this is a very simple sari for a beginner who want to learn step by step how to deck a sari. So I have this beautiful sari that I'm wearing, and I will show you how to wear this sari in a much simpler form. And it's not a long video, it's a very short video. Is about sari wearing. To learn this how to drape a sari, for the beginners you will need sari, a fitted blouse like this, and one safety pin and a pair of heels. So there is a reason why I have taken this sari, because for the beginners it's very easy if you wear synthetic sari or Georgette sari. If you're starting to learn any sari draping, start with synthetic sari, Georgette sari, so that you get used to the drape, the tuck-in, all the steps, and then you start using silk sari. Silk sari we need to press and have that plate, you need to get that plate right, so it will take time. And you need a well-fitted petticoat like this. This is a cotton petticoat. There are a lot of you can use, or any. If you don't have a blouse which is stitched like this, you are not in India, then you can wear any crop top. That suits well with your sari, which matches your sari. The skirt is very important. You don't need to gather here. It has to be plain, even if it's cotton. So what happens when it's gathering, even your skirt, the sari, when you drape it, it's not going to come plain. So the length of the petticoat and the size, it has to be perfect, and it has to match the sari. So if it's transparent, the sari is transparent and the petticoat is visible, so try to match with your sari color. So in the sari you need to figure out first which is the pallu, which will be at the end of the sari, and which is the part you have to tuck inside your petticoat. So pallu is something which comes like this. It's fancy, and it's not this as same as your body. So you see here, this is a pallu and this is the body. So what we are going to do is, we are going to leave the pallu and we are going to start tucking the sari from this end. So first thing, you need to put a knot so that it fits well. So this is the first step. You just slowly try to tuck by this end. Keep the petticoat loose so that it doesn't frill. The first step is we need to tuck the sari from the right hand side like this, in this way, and neatly without any frills here, and take a round and see your length down and tuck it as I am tucking and moving. So do this process very slowly, because if we don't want any gatherings, it has to be plain so that the sari part looks neat. When you drape it, it's neat and clean. So you make a round like this, and you're going to tuck it this way. When one round is over, you're going to take the other end of the sari. You just gather it like this and come to this corner of the pallu. You're going to leave this as it is, and you are going to start plating this to see your height when you place it back side. So you're going to make plates like this. I'll show you in a while how to make plates. So we are just going to see, we are going to drape it like this, the sari, like this. We are going to see the height as in how much we need. Basically the height you take with the help of the mirror. You try to look elegantly beautiful by taking this pallu the size of your height, which is not too long, it's above your knee length, as in like this. Yeah, so you see here, take this part as in your border from the back this way and come in the front. So you take this measurement from here till here. From here you're going to start plating it. So with the index finger and your pinky finger, you hold and move it in this way. Then again the second one, move it this way. So hold it firmly so that it doesn't slip. If your sari is synthetic, it will be slippery, so you need to take care of that while plating. So you do like this, you take like this, then come to your thumb finger, hold it this way tight, then go to your pinky finger, do it like this, catch with your thumb firmly, and this. So here I complete the steps, and now is that I'm going to tuck this inside. So between your navel, you need to tuck inside your petticoat. So you make the plates properly here. You see your length, your height, and then firmly you're gonna tuck it like this, plainly rib. So this plate has to cover the entire plates. Here you can keep it this way as well. So this way, where it looks beautiful as well, or you can plate it even this way, where all comes, and you can also pin it here if you want. Yeah, it's as easy as that. So you come to your shoulder part, your pallu part now. Hold it here in the border. If you want to leave it like this, you just have to pin it here. So you secure your safety pin in here, not here. So you need to do it here, this way, with the blouse. Yeah. Go at the back, pull this properly in here with the blouse. Yeah, here, not here, but a bit back side, and you are ready to go. Okay, if you want to plate it and you're not comfortable leaving like this, you can do that as well. You take the end of this pallu part and this, leave this, hold it like this, and start from your plating from here. You go same as you did your plating for your plating down here, how you plate it the same way with your index finger and pinky finger. You're going to plate it like this, and then just take it like this. See where you would like to plate your sari here. Yeah, you just have to secure this with the pin as in your back side, similarly. So you see, if you want you can plate this. If you don't want, you're comfortable, you can just leave it and just style it like this with securing the pin here, back of your blouse, and you're good to go. I hope you liked my video about sari draping. It is as simple as it looks. It's very simple for anyone who is starting to wear sari, or any people apart from India, abroad, staying abroad and wish to wear and adore this beautiful drape. It's that easy. anything you find it difficult, you kindly comment below. And if you like the video and you feel that this was the video you were looking for, so kindly consider subscribing and like the video. Comment if I have missed any steps and you want me to include in another video, and if you want me to do more of such videos, please comment below, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post videos. And those who have subscribed me, thank you for all that, it means a lot.